Enjoy your first competition. ASA Senior. Lead sound of 5 to victory, love Mom and Dad. To Allison Arden, you got this. Love your big brother Austin. Allison Arden, have a great performance. We love you, Mom and Dad. Hey kid, march hard. Love Zoe and Earl. Haley Rednick, we are so proud of you. Papa and Graham, best flute player in the world. Bailey Kraus, I am so proud of you. Love, Papa. Good luck on your first competition of the year. Love you, dog, Mr. Euler. Sound of Pride, rock the house. There's Mom. Marla Manier, we are all very proud of you. Give it your best. Mom, Dad, Charlotte, Michael, Joey, Grandma, and Grandpa. Mary Grace Adamson, great job. We're so proud of you. To Mary Grace Adamson, we love you, Mom and Dad. Baritone, rock the house, baritone. Zara Schlumelis, you never cease to amaze us with the courage and energy you have to push yourself and test your limits. We love you, Mommy and Aunt Irene. Kayla Sutton, rock on, tuba girl. We love you, Kayla. Hannah Hepworth, we are so proud of you. We love you, Mom and Dad. Marcus Gonzalez, we are so proud of you. Love you always. Poppy, Mommy, and Nicholas. Katie Roadruck, flute players rock. I love you. Your band rocks. Love Avery and Lindsay. The band and guards, we know you all have worked so hard and will rock the house. Michael Schlumelis and Irene Colson. Joshua Young, you're the best, Josh. Play your heart out. Love Mom, Dad, Grammy. Mr. Wilson, field crew, parent volunteers. Thank you for getting us here and your dedication to the kids. Joshua Young and family. Sandy Wilson, go get him, Kiki. Let that clarinet rock. We love you, Mom, Dad, Grandma.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, the first band to perform in Class 4A at the 12th Annual Sound Invitational is the Cooper City High School Marching Band from Cooper City, Florida. With the rest of the line is Sandra L. Houston and the principal is Wendy Dahl. Are the judges ready? The judges are ready. Presenting the 2014 production of Still North, the Falcon Sound Invitational is proud to present drum major Marla Manes, Sarah Slipmowitz, and Giovanna Wallace, and the sound of pride of marching band. Eric Levy, Megan Sweeney, Monica Dixon, Faye Stark,